Howdy folks, my name is Gary Carpenter and I'm with Jerry Whittle Boats in Louisville, Texas. Today I'd like to show you a Silverwave 2410 JS Tri-Toon. This is a luxury Tri-Toon, nice things like stainless front gate, but the real obvious thing would be the fiberglass panels. Beautiful body lines and a toughness you just can't get with aluminum. This particular 2410 JS has what Silverwave calls the Platinum package. That consists mainly of the soft touch vinyl with the diamond stitching, and it's got fold down armrests for both of the bow loungers. And then this particular boat has the upgraded Wetsounds stereo with 6 8-inch lighted speakers, a lighted subwoofer, and an amp. Here at the driver's helm, we have an elevated helm and also a booster seat, upgraded steering wheel, and then a 9-inch touchscreen Garmin with depth finder, fish finder, and GPS. While I'm back here, I'd like to point out this particular model comes standard with a power rear Bimini top. And then we have the Silverwave's version of the swingback, again very popular. Turns into a rear-facing lounger. It's got fold-down cup holders. This particular boat has the enclosed stainless railing, making it legal to ride in these seats while the boat's moving. Silverwave has a really nice heavy-duty ski tow bar, deep reach stainless ladder, and this particular boat we market with a Yamaha VMAX 250 super high output and power assisted steering.